Good evening, everyone. How are you? I will sleep early because I feel too much pain. My operation. Haram alaiki. Okay, guys. Good night. Sweet dreams. Love you. Good night. Sweet dreams. Love you all. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.